you know. And then the second skill that I really like the most is listening skill, because just like baby just listen a lot, or like a child listen a lot. That's why a child or a baby can easily learn a language or master a language or acquire a language by listening. So I advise everyone to learn to make English as their first language if they want to become fluent in English. To make them be able to think in English, just forget for a while about your first language. For example, Indonesian, Aceh, or another language. Make English your first language. It will enable you to think in English easily, effortlessly, without much hardship. That's all. Thank you very much.
Right, any question?
Question?
Alright, Mr. Farman, if I got a question for you. Alright.
No question.
Why a lot of people couldn't speak English well? What is the problem with that? For listening or reading or speaking or what? Difficult understanding about learning fluent language.
Okay.
What's the problem with me?
The problem is they still think in their own language. Still think in bahasa, or translating in bahasa into English. It will make them slow to think, slow to speak, because they're translating first, and because they lack vocabulary. That's the main thing. If you are lacking in vocabulary, it will become stumbling block for them to continue learning English. Many people stop in the tracks because they feel lazy when they stuck in learning a language. For example, when they find it difficult to understand what someone say, or difficult to understand an article and reading, sometimes they quit learning. I think that will make them never master English at all. Yeah.
Alright, do you mind give some trick how to solving that about that problem? How to mastering that, how to learn foreign language very clearly, very fastly?
Right, is it easy?
Should we have to memorizing vocabulary or what? Or practicing every single day, or joining English club every single day?
So it's not learning any language or foreign language, second language. It's not a piece of cake. So everyone should practice every day. You do not have to memorize all vocabulary words in any language, but the main thing is to practice every day. Practice either listening, reading, or listening, reading is the input, and speaking and writing is the output. So the main thing is you have to practice every single day without stopping.
How are we gonna practicing that? Because we don't have partner. Should we play with mirror or not?
So for beginners, they should find a teacher. It's important to find a teacher, as well as books to help them understand more. So human teacher is really important. Instead of having computer software as a teacher, maybe you can be a master. You can master English easily without human teacher, by using computer or smartphone nowadays are at your fingertips. So now we need to find a teacher, or maybe a lot of resources on the internet. You can find maybe inexpensive courses, like us. Maybe this is one of the most free access for everyone. You can join here with maybe 5,000 every week, 5,000 rupiah every week. So it's not expensive to learn language.
Yeah, like you said just now, learning for a language not like piece of cake, right? So how to solve that? If how we will solve that if we cannot mastering English very well? Do you have any trick? or with audio visual, like watching movie or what? So how do we?
So main thing is you need to find a teacher first. Teacher is really important. But if you can't find a teacher, internet is free. It's free for everyone. You can search on the internet, a lot of information on the internet. But for me, we need to practice every day, like memorize vocabulary and reading and listening. That's all.
All right. Any suggestion or idea for audience? Say something. Don't ever give up. We have to learn English.
Yeah.
No pain, no gain, right?
No pain, no gain.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. I would advise
Say some word.
to young generations or those who are in my age, around my age. If they feel English is important for them, they can go here, expand English club every Sunday afternoon for 4 p.m. They can spend only 5,000 rupiah
And go Dutch, right?
and go Dutch.
Yeah.
I think that's all.
All right. One more time, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa. So this is very, I'm not saying this cool, what? But what do you think about this proverb? From this in the end of the day, not only people but also animal can speak English, including mongoose can speak English. Do you know what that means exactly? Can you give a reason what that means exactly?
It means nowadays English is not. If you are able to speak English nowadays, it's not something fantastic or spectacular or awesome. So maybe in the past 10, 20 years ago, it was fantastic if you were able to speak English. But now it is just a mainstream skill that everyone should have nowadays, because nowadays is like our technology has improved a lot. So it's maybe if you want to go global, English is mandatory. That's all.
So the proverb is from this in the end of the day, not only people but also animal can speak English, including mongoose can speak English. Do you agree about that or not?
Yeah, that's just sarcastic or ironic expression for those who are lazy to learn English. So maybe in the future, in the near future, animal can speak the language, English language, not only human.
Including mongoose can speak English. This is cool or not? Animal can speak English,
This
including.
is, ironic interpretation. Yeah.
So very English or foreign language. We have to mastering this, right?
Yeah.
It's only foreign language, not only English, but also Arabic, French, Dutch, and Spanish, anything else, right?
It's important to be polyglot nowadays.
Thank you for the kindness, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa, for give us, explanation or suggestion. That is very incredible for us. Thank you.
As about people know they play game a lot. And, yeah. Do you think that games could improve our English in this era? In this era, yeah, I think it's. I agree. Some people has had their English improved by playing games. I don't disagree with that. So, but nowadays, by only playing games, your English your English is not cannot be measured by only playing games, but also you have to have your English tested by having certificate like TOEFL or IELTS. So in order to know your English is good or bad, you have to take tests. Yeah. That is all.
Right, that's it, right? All right. Thank you, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa. Pick some meals.